This is the Hallmark, another one of my favorites from this year, the Snoring Santa. As you can see, it has like a silicone belly, and it has little gingerbread cookies on here, and his like kind of reminds me of the Hallmark ornaments like from the 1990s and stuff like that. Well, those old ones. And and it has, and it's, there's any of his, like, there's the little buckles on the boots, and his armrests, and his mustache moves from time to time.
Now this is a constant motion, right?
Yeah, it needs the Keepsake power cord to.
Keepsake power cord.
And it says 2 phrases. And this one retails for
$45,
$44.99.
You caught me napping on the job. You startled me. I must have dozed off while I was dreaming up new toy ideas.
And where's the button, Connor, on the side?
It's on the side, on the right.
Yeah, okay.
There. So what's your opinion on this one, Mom?
I really do like it. I didn't know about the constant motion.
And
until
yes, we
got
actually
him.
like watched the videos of these like
Yeah,
a few days
realize
before.
that.
Because if we don't, because the premiere this year was July 13th or something like that.
July the 13th through the 19th.
Yeah,
Yes.
which is still going on. So
Yes. Correct.
it's so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.